Aishwarya, you recently faced your Excel Dynamic interview. So, can you share with all of us what questions were asked to you?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. They asked me several questions which are related to my domain, that is finance, and also basic personal questions like your personal details. So first of all, he asked me about tell me about yourself, and then he asked me, are you okay with the night shift? Any education gap you have? So I answered that no, there is no any education gap, and he started asking about the finance domain questions, that what is NAV, what do you understand by NAV. So I take it as a in another way, that is it is also related with the cash inflow or outflow, so I answered in that way about net asset value. So he again asked me that I am not asking about this, at what is the net asset value that is related to company. So I answered that it is related to assets minus its liability, that is net asset value of the company. So the second question was, what is working capital? So I answered that the day-to-day expenses, to deal with the day-to-day expenses, the money required is known as the working capital. And what is mutual funds was the next question. And what do you understand and how it is calculated? So I don't know that how mutual fund calculated. So I answered that, so I do not know about it, how it is calculated. But yes, I know about the mutual fund. It is a bridge between the people who want to invest their fund in this safe place. They invested in mutual funds, and afterwards the mutual fund invested this amount into the portfolio securities, government bonds, to gain the interest and to pay interest to the their customers. So he asked me all these questions, and one question was related to that. What what do you think? If we sign a bond, then are you ready to sign it? So I said yes, I am. So what the next question was? Are you able? No.
It's okay.
Are you ready to relocate? So I said yes, I am ready to relocate. And are you satisfied what package we are giving you? So
Mhm.
I said yes, I am satisfied with it. First, my priority is to the experience, and other words as my priority is to salary. So that was the question which were asked by me.
Which were asked to you.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. So, Aishwarya, overall, how was your experience? Like, you were also nervous when at the time of
Yes, ma'am. I
interview?
was totally nervous because he was asking questions back to back. Even
Mhm.
I am trying to give the answer of the first question, in mid he threw a next question to.
Okay. So, any learning from this interview, anything which you will add up, and will you suggest others who are about to face Excel Dynamic interview in coming week?
First of all, the candidate should have the full knowledge about the domain,
Mhm.
and they ask mainly question from the finance only, as per the my experience. And the other thing is, don't get nervous like me. एंड क्वेश्चन शुड बी जो उन लोगों ने पूछा है उससे मतलब दो वेज में नहीं लेना चाहिए, जैसे मैंने लिया एनईवी के टाइम पर जो क्वेश्चन किया था उसमें. सो दैट्स ऑल.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for
थैंक यू
sharing
मैम.
your experience with us. Thank you.